Public Investing App Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you've been exploring investing apps in 2025, you've probably stumbled across Public an app that promises commission-free investing, social features, and access to stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares. But the question remains, is Public truly worth your time and money in 2025, or is it overhyped? Today, we're going to dig deep into Public, covering everything from its features, pros and cons, fees, social integration, and whether it aligns with your financial goals. Imagine this. You want to invest in stocks but hate high fees, complicated interfaces, and the feeling of being completely alone in the investing world. Most people get this wrong. They assume all commission-free apps are equally effective, but that's far from the truth. Public offers unique features, but there are important trade-offs you need to understand before signing up. What is Public in 2025? Public is a mobile investing app that combines commission-free trading with social networking features. Users can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares with no trading fees. Beyond that, Public emphasizes transparency and community by showing how other users are investing, offering educational content, and fostering discussion around financial decisions. In 2025, Public markets itself not just as an investment platform, but as a community where everyday investors can learn from each other. This social aspect is unique and can be particularly useful for beginners who are looking for guidance, ideas, or simply a sense of camaraderie in investing. Key features of Public. 1. Commission-free trading ***. Buy and sell stocks and ETFs without paying trading fees. This includes fractional shares, allowing you to invest small amounts in high-priced stocks. 2. Social feed and community ***. Public's social feed lets you follow other investors, see their investments, comment, and engage in discussions. It's like a social network built around investing. Fractional shares ***. No need to buy a full share of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla. Invest as little as $1 in fractional shares. 4. No account minimums ***. You can start investing without a large initial deposit, making it accessible to beginners or those with limited capital. 5. Cash management features ***. Public allows you to hold cash in your account, which can earn modest interest in some regions. 6. Educational content ***. Guides, articles, and insights are integrated into the app, helping users make more informed investment decisions. 7. Diverse asset offerings ***. Beyond U.S. stocks and ETFs, Public offers access to select international stocks and themed portfolios, making it easier to diversify. The pros. Why Public can be worth it. ***. 1. Accessible for beginners ***. With no account minimums, fractional shares, and a simple interface, Public is beginner-friendly. You don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start investing, and the social feed provides insights without overwhelming complexity. ***. Community and transparency ***. You can see what others are investing in, gain inspiration, and learn strategies. This is especially useful for people who feel intimidated by investing or want guidance without paying for expensive advisors. ***. Commission-free trades ***. Unlike traditional brokers, Public does not charge commissions on trades. This is particularly advantageous for smaller frequent trades, as you won't lose money to fees. ***. Fractional investing ***. The ability to buy fractional shares allows users to invest in high-priced stocks with small amounts of money, promoting diversification even with limited funds. ***. Mobile-first experience ***. Public's app is intuitive, visually appealing, and designed for mobile use, which is ideal for investors who prefer managing their portfolios on the go. The cons. What to watch out for. ***. 1. Limited advanced trading tools ***. Public is not built for professional traders. There are no advanced charts, margin trading, or option strategies. For serious traders, this can be the limitation. ***. Social feed risks ***. While the social feed is a unique feature, it can also be misleading. Following others' trades doesn't guarantee success, and emotional investing based on trends can lead to losses. Most people get this wrong, thinking copying someone else's portfolio is a surefire way to profit. ***. 3. Cash management limitations *** interest on cash balances is modest, and Public is not a substitute for a high-yield savings account or dedicated cash management account. **4 Limited international access *** Some international stocks and investment opportunities may not be available to all users, and account features vary by region. **5 Customer support can be slow *** Some users report delays in resolving account issues or answering complex questions, which can be frustrating if urgent action is required. ## You won't believe what happens next. Real-world use case. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a college student with $100 to start investing. You want exposure to Tesla, Apple, and some ETFs, but don't have the funds to buy full shares. With Public, you can invest $20 in Tesla, $30 in Apple, and $50 across 2 ETFs. You can also follow a few experienced investors in the app to see how they manage similar portfolios. Within weeks, you're learning about diversification, dividend reinvestment, and market trends, all without paying fees or risking more than your initial $100. Contrast this with traditional brokers where you might need hundreds of dollars per stock, and social insights are non-existent. Public combines accessibility with community-driven learning. ## Understanding fees. While Public is commission-free, it's important to note that the platform makes money through other means. Currency conversion fees apply when investing in international stocks, and spreads on certain trades can impact returns. Many users overlook these small costs, but over time, they can influence net gains. Transparency is good, but awareness is crucial. ### Who is Public best for? Beginners or novice investors looking for a simple, social-first platform. People who want to ** invest small amounts ** and take advantage of fractional shares. Users seeking ** educational content ** integrated into the investing experience. Those who value ** community insights ** over complex trading tools. ### Who might want to look elsewhere. Advanced traders seeking ** options, margin, or derivatives **. Users wanting ** full international market access **. Investors who prefer ** desktop-first platforms with advanced analytics **. Real numbers, potential returns and costs. Let's say you invest $500 evenly across 5 stocks and fractional shares using Public. Assuming an average annual return of 7% and minimal transaction costs, your portfolio could grow to around $535 in 1 year. The growth is modest but represents real, accessible investing for beginners. However, actively trading smaller amounts frequently could erode gains slightly due to spreads or minor fees, which highlights the importance of strategy even in commission-free apps. ## The surprising truth about social investing. Many people assume that following others in social investing guarantees success. The reality? It can help you learn, but blindly copying trades can be risky. Markets are unpredictable, and personal circumstances vary. Public's social feed is a tool, not a shortcut to wealth. Discipline, research, and a long-term perspective are still essential. ## Final verdict. Worth it or leave it. Public in 2025 is a solid option for beginner to intermediate investors who want a social, community-oriented investing experience. Its strengths lie in accessibility, fractional shares, and commission-free trading, making it ideal for starting small or experimenting with investing. It's not perfect. Advanced traders may feel limited, and social cues should be followed cautiously. But for everyday investors seeking an approachable, educational, and social-first platform, Public is worth it. Key takeaway: use Public to start building your portfolio, learn from the community, and gain exposure to the stock market without high barriers or fees. Approach social insights critically, and you can enjoy a valuable mix of convenience, education, and investing potential. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more 2025 fintech and investing insights, and drop a comment letting us know which apps or platforms you'd like us to review next.